Sup lovely people, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video you are going to see how to remove Facebook suggested friends. So let's head over to your Facebook first for this. And here if you scroll down and at a point you will see there's some suggested friends that you will see in here. So what you can do is tap on the three lines on the top right and go to the settings icon. And in here go to content preferences, and here if you can't see the option of remove Facebook suggestions, then I'm sorry, the new Facebook update is not availing it, so we just have to wait for a new next update. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.